Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on today's featured products, and drop a comment letting us know which dash kit you're using or planning to buy. If you've ever tried upgrading your car stereo only to find gaps in the dashboard, loose fittings, or a finish that looks cheap and unfinished, you already know how frustrating a poor dash mounting kit can be. The good news is that choosing the right car dash mounting kit instantly solves these problems by giving your new stereo a factory-style fit, clean alignment, and solid support. And in this video, I'll walk you through the best options available to help you get it right the first time. We're starting the countdown with the Scosche ICF D6BN Double DIN Radio Installation Dash Kit, which is designed specifically for select Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles that require a double DIN opening. This kit is molded from high-quality ABS plastic to closely match the factory dashboard texture and color, ensuring a seamless look once installed. It supports standard double DIN aftermarket radios and includes the necessary brackets and hardware to secure the stereo firmly in place. The kit is engineered for precise fitment, reducing vibration, and ensuring proper alignment with surrounding trim panels, and it is compatible with a wide range of popular aftermarket head units. In real-world use, the Scosche ICF D6BN stands out for how professional the final install looks, making it ideal for drivers who want their upgraded stereo to appear completely stock. Installation is straightforward for both DIY users and professional installers, and once installed, the stereo feels solid and well supported. The only minor drawback is that it is vehicle-specific, but if your car is compatible, it is absolutely worth buying for the clean finish it delivers. Next up is the Scosche ICCR6BN Double DIN Radio Installation Dash Kit, which is designed for select Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles. This kit supports standard double DIN stereos and is crafted from durable, heat-resistant plastic that holds up well over time. It is color-matched to factory dashboards and includes mounting brackets and hardware to simplify installation. The kit ensures correct spacing and alignment so the new stereo integrates smoothly with the existing dashboard design. What makes the ICCR6BN appealing is how well it balances ease of installation with a polished, factory-style appearance, making it a great option for daily drivers and family vehicles. It fits snugly without rattles and gives confidence that the stereo won't shift over time. The only slight downside is that it does not include wiring accessories, but as a dash kit, it still offers excellent value and a dependable fit. Moving on, the American International Single or Double DIN Radio Complete Dash Kit offers impressive versatility by supporting both single DIN and double DIN installations depending on your vehicle and stereo choice. This kit includes multiple trim plates and brackets to accommodate different radio sizes, making it a flexible solution for various vehicle models. It is constructed from strong, automotive-grade plastic and designed to fill gaps cleanly while maintaining proper alignment and structural integrity. This kit shines for users who want flexibility or may upgrade stereos again in the future, as it adapts well to different configurations. It's especially useful for installers working with multiple vehicle types or car owners unsure of their final head unit choice. While the finish may not perfectly match every dashboard color, it still delivers solid performance and is well worth buying for its adaptability. Coming in at number 2 is the Scosche ICCR3BN Single DIN Radio Install Dash Kit, built specifically for select Chrysler vehicles that require a single DIN opening. This kit is precision molded to match factory contours and includes the necessary brackets for a secure, vibration-free installation. It supports standard single DIN aftermarket radios and provides a clean, professional look once installed. The ICCR3BN is perfect for drivers who want a simple, no-fuss installation with reliable results. It's easy to work with, holds the stereo firmly, and blends nicely with the dashboard. The only minor limitation is that it's limited to single DIN setups, but if that's what your vehicle needs, it's a smart and dependable purchase. Taking the top spot is the Scosche GM9505CS Complete Single DIN Stereo Installation Kit, which is designed for select General Motors vehicles. This complete kit includes a dash panel, brackets, and all necessary hardware to support a standard single DIN stereo installation. It is made from high-quality plastic with a factory-style texture and color, ensuring a seamless appearance that closely matches the original dashboard. What truly sets the GM9505CS apart is how complete and installer-friendly it is, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals who want a smooth, frustration-free upgrade. The fit is tight, the finish looks OEM, and the stereo feels solid once installed. While it may not support double DIN units, it is absolutely worth buying for anyone installing a single DIN stereo in a compatible GM vehicle. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best car dash mounting kits. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the dash mounting kits we covered today, and leave a comment sharing which one you're planning to use, or already have installed. A great stereo upgrade deserves a perfect fit, and the right dash kit makes all the difference between a sloppy install and a clean factory quality result. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.